See? Our team doesn't suck. We won, we won, we won, we won, we won, we won, we came out as number one. We won, you all suck. Oh, I'm tripping! Whoa!
Okay, I don't care. Shut up. Ha! Looks like someone's mad. Popcorn in a... Ow! God, dude, shut up! Anyways, you, get me a cake. Now. Oh, freaking fine, dude! Hey guys, welcome to my baking show. We're gonna be making a cake. Yeah, so first you gotta get the eggs and you just gotta... Then you gotta get your flour and then you gotta get your milk and then... Bloop, bloop, bloop. Then you gotta get your whisk and you just gotta... And then you're done. Here you go, I call it the... yeah. Yahoo! This is so good, makes me just wanna... What's happening? Help! That's pretty good.